so today's workout is for those of you who have knee pain and want to get in a workout that you know is not going to aggravate your knees. Keep in mind, I have some great physical therapy for knee pain videos as well. If you have an injury going on, you might want to check out those. All right, so we're going to start seated with your legs out in front of you. So I find many of my gentle Pilates routines would be okay for your knees, but I've had so many of you ask for a specific routine, I wanted to give it to you. So we're going to have our legs straight out in front of us, and if it's more comfortable for you, you can have them slightly bent, okay? Either one is fine. And I want you to start just by inhaling to bring your arms up and exhale to bring your arms down. Inhale up. So if it is hard for you to sit with your legs straight out in front of you like this, you might have tight hips, no problem at all. You can sit up on a block, you can sit up on some blankets, or like I said, just bend your knees would be completely fine. Inhale up, last one, and then exhale down and bring them just to shoulder height. Take an inhale here, and exhale, round forward. Inhale, restack. Exhale, round forward. You're gonna notice I'm not doing a really big hamstring stretch here. It's more about articulating through my spine. This is a very traditional Pilates exercise called spine stretch. Okay, so I'm stretching through my spine and rounding, and then restacking one more. So I'm giving you a Pilates workout here that you don't have to worry about kneeling on your knees or putting any pressure on the knees, okay? Nice job. Bring your hands now behind your head. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale to your left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. So I'm staying tall up on my sit bones. I want to feel like my spine is just trying to create as much space as possible. Okay, so I want to create length and space in between each one of those vertebrae. That's going to help have you sit upright more if you can think about that. Don't necessarily think sit up taller, sit up taller. Think about trying to create space. All right, arms can come down. We're going to zip our legs together. Bring your arms out in front of you. Inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone, and I just want you to roll down about 1/3 to 1/2 of the way down. Inhale, pause. Exhale, up, over. Inhale, restack. Exhale, curl, roll back down. Inhale, pause. We're working into those ab muscles. Exhale, come back up. Over. Restack. Couple more like that. Maybe you can go down a little farther. Okay, if you want to challenge yourself, you can go down a little bit farther. Inhale, pause. Exhale, back up. Loosening everything up here. Roll down just to the point that you know you can hold it, but it's a challenge. Stay here. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. You notice that? This is kind of reminiscent of the very first thing we did in this routine. Keep your tailbone tucked. Keep that curve in your spine. Last two. And last one. Inhale, pause. Exhale, roll down. Nice job. And you're probably noticing now, while I said this is gonna be gentle on your knees, I didn't say it was going to be an easy workout necessarily. Are you catching that? So again, keep in mind, I have many beginner and gentle workouts that I think would be appropriate as well. So go check those out in addition to this one. All right, so let's have your feet flat. Knees are bent, and I want you to be at a place that's comfortable for your knees. So if they don't want to be this far in, that's fine. Have them in a place that's okay for you. Bring your hands behind your head. Elbows are wide. Thumbs at the base of your skull. Take an inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin, roll up. You're trying to bring your shoulder blades off. And then roll back down. So I'm going to give you a couple options here. You can either stay like this. You can bring your legs to tabletop if this is comfortable and be here. Or you can also be in tabletop but rest your feet on a couch or on a coffee table And that might be really comfortable for your knees as well. Okay, so your choice. So I'm keeping my chin tucked. I'm not looking towards the ceiling. Tucking my chin, elbows wide, rolling up and back down. Last one, come up. Stay here. Inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. So whichever version you're doing, try to keep your tailbone flat, okay? One more each side. Really try to peel the shoulder blades off and center, roll back down and gently place one foot down and then the other. Nice job. You're gonna roll onto your left side. Now you have an option here. You can be flat on your side with your head in your hand, or you can be up on a high elbow. This is gonna be a little more challenging. It's completely up to you. Bottom leg is straight in the top corner of the mat. Top leg is straight out from your hip. Toes are pulled back towards you. You're gonna inhale to bring it forward. Exhale, point, bring it back. So inhale, flex your foot as the leg comes forward. Exhale, point to bring it back. You're only moving the leg as much as you can that your back doesn't move too. Okay, that means when the leg comes forward, you're not collapsing back like this. You're staying stacked. When the leg goes back, you're not letting your back arch. Now, keep in mind, I'm a physical therapist. Been doing it for a long time, over 20 years. So this is one of my favorite exercise series to give to my clients who have knee pain, because we're helping to strengthen glutes, hamstrings, outer hips, which is really important when there's knee pain there. So I can't take that out of my thinking here. If you're here because some things cause you knee pain, this series, while it might not be easy because you might be weak, it can actually help. Okay, but it shouldn't actually put pressure on the knees themselves. Okay, now keep your toes pointed. Come forward, up, and around. So we're drawing circles. And again, it's only as much as you can that nothing else moves. This is called disassociation. It's one of the principles of Pilates, and it means we're teaching your body how to move one thing without everything else moving. Switch directions. Nice job. 3 more. And 2. 1. Nice job. Lower it down. We're gonna come up, and I'm just gonna come into a side stretch. Now, options. If your knees are okay being bent, you can stay here. Otherwise, straighten the leg out into a side stretch, okay? Either one. So my left knee is just in this really gentle place, and my right leg is straight. Nice job. And we're gonna lay down on our right side. So if you can, choose the same place you were on the other, either flat all the way down or up on your high elbow. Bottom leg is going to be straight, but at the top corner of the mat. Top leg is straight with your toes pulled back, hips are stacked, abs are in, and here we go. Inhale, flex forward. Exhale, point back. So no need to go fast. You can just follow the pace of your breath. Nice job. Strengthening through the hip and even through your core and your obliques here as well. Okay, keep the toes pointed. Come forward, up, and around. Don't be surprised if it is different on this side than it was on the other. Very rarely are we the exact same side to side. And switch. Last 2. 1. Nice job. Rest it down. So I'm going to bring that right leg in front. You can either keep the left leg bent for a mermaid variation, or again, this is probably a little easier on the knee to straighten it out and come over. Nice job. Now you're going to have both legs out in a straddle. So let's have them apart. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, reach forward just as far as your body lets you, and then restack. We won't stay there long. One more. Restack your spine. Great job. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.